Hello there, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's YouTube SEO tips video, I want to share with you a very helpful YouTube SEO tip that can absolutely help with hearing impaired, perhaps deaf, and even get you more viewers. So I've actually stumbled across this tip just watching videos on YouTube, watching videos from like Gary Vee and Grant Cardone on real estate and motivation. And with that being said, I just was looking at some of these tags from the videos like I always do, seeing the links of their description, just doing some YouTube SEO, just seeing, hey, what are the bigger channels doing? So in any case, what I noticed is inside of here, where you have your video tags, I kept seeing this YT:CC equals on. So I went and checked some other channels, and what I found is this is a way that you can go ahead and keep on your closed captions. Now, I saw this consistently on these larger channels. So I went out and did some digging, and I found this small article that will walk you through some of how to do it, how to turn them on, and why it's accessible or why it's usable. So let me go ahead and break this down quick, and then I'll show you how to do it on your own channel. So adding subtitles to your YouTube video is a great move. If you want to increase your viewership, take note of that, increase viewership, have more people be able to listen and see and hear your videos, be able to hear it, understand it. And it makes it more accessible for the deaf and hard of hearing. And also, when the closed captions are on, it just makes it more, YouTube's gonna push it out more. So by default, YouTube does not display the closed captions. So in this tutorial, and my tutorial as well, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do this, and I just stumbled onto this, so I'm glad I could share it with you. Now, if you go ahead and read here, it'll walk you through in a mini tutorial on how to do this. I didn't write this, I grabbed this from online just to make it simple for you. But let me go ahead and walk you through exactly how to do this. So if you already have a video, let's go ahead and say we're using this video. You'll go on to one of your videos, or if you're creating a video, it's going to be in the same place. So here's what you do. So if you already have a video and you want to try it out, you go to Edit Video, all right? Or if you're filling out your video details, it will be, again, in the same exact place. Now, once you fill out your title, you have your description, you'll add your playlist, you'll go through the details. There's a section called Tags. Inside of your tags, all you simply have to do is write YT:CC equals on. So this way you're able to force the YouTube captions onto your videos. This way they'll always be shown. You'll also be able to have, if there's anybody perhaps hard of hearing or deaf, you'll actually give them the opportunity to hear your details, or at least see the words, I should say. So I hope that this has been helpful. It's definitely helpful to me. A lot of the larger channels are doing this, so I definitely think it's beneficial. If you have any questions related to these YouTube SEO tips or any other YouTube SEO tips, please go ahead and ask in the comments below. And I always look forward to seeing you in the next YouTube SEO tips video. Have a wonderful day.